Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Take a look at these two models. You can see the real vase alongside the SolidWorks model we will be creating in today's tutorial. At first glance, this design might look quite complicated because of its repeating geometric facets, but once you break it down into simple steps, it's actually a very interesting surface modeling project. In this tutorial, I'll show you the complete process of creating this vase from scratch using SolidWorks. Along the way, we will use commands like surface revolve, surface sweep, circular pattern, trim surface, surface loft, extend surface, knit surface, cut with surface, mirror and fillet to achieve the final result. Whether you are learning surface modeling or looking to improve your SolidWorks skills, this project will teach you several useful techniques that you can apply to your own designs. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into SolidWorks and start building this beautiful geometric vase. File, new, part, OK. Let's begin by creating the profile of the vase, and for that select front plane, sketch. Now select center line. Draw a horizontal center line towards the origin. Now go up and then go to the left. Press escape. Now select 3-point arc, point 1, point 2 and click somewhere here, point number 3. Select smart dimension. This height is 75 mm. Bottom radius is 25 mm. Top radius is 40 mm. And for this radius, enter 150 mm. Now that we have our sketch ready, go to surfaces and select revolve surface. For the axis of revolution, select the central vertical axis. OK. Now select front plane, sketch. Draw a vertical line from bottom to top. Press escape, exit the sketch. Now select top plane, sketch. Select line and draw a horizontal line. Go to surfaces and select swept surface. For the path, select this sketch. Go to options, specify twist value and enter here 180 degree. Click OK. Now go to features and select circular pattern. Select this swept surface and for direction select this edge. Change the angle to 15 degree and number of instances 2. For direction 2 select symmetric and click OK. Now go to surfaces and select trim surface to remove the unwanted portions. Select this surface as the trimming tool and surfaces to keep. Select these 3 surfaces. Click OK. Now select this revolve surface and hide it. Go to reference geometry, select plane. Select top plane and enter the offset distance 75 mm. OK. Now select this plane number 1, sketch. Select line. Click on smart dimension and enter 2 mm here. Exit the sketch. Now select top plane and sketch. Select line. Click on smart dimension. Enter 2 mm here and exit the sketch. Click on lofted surface. Select this sketch and select this sketch. And for the guide curves, Select these two edges, edge number 1 and edge number 2. Click OK. Now select this plane number 1 and hide it. Select these three surfaces and hide them too. Click on extend surface. Select this edge and select this edge. Click OK. Now select the surface revolve, show, and select the surface extend and hide it. Select planar surface, click on this circular edge and click on this bottom circular edge too. Okay, now go to knit surface. Select these three individual surfaces and check create solid. Okay. Now that we have our solid body ready, it's time to use the surface cut to create the ribbon pattern. And for that, select surface extend, cut with surface and OK. Select this surface and hide it. Go to features and select mirror here, front plane, features to mirror, select this surface cut and OK. Select circular pattern, features to pattern, select this surface cut and this mirror. For direction, select this circular edge, 360-degree, number of instances, enter 12. Click OK. Now it's time to create the internal cavity, and for that select front plane, sketch. Select the sketch number 1 and click show. Select offset entities. Select this sketch. Reverse the direction. 3 mm is fine. Click OK. Now select line and draw a horizontal line. Smart dimension. This base thickness value is 5 mm. Now select trim entities to remove the unwanted portions. Press escape. Now go to surfaces, select revolve surface, and for the axis of revolution select this axis. Click OK. Now select the solid body and hide it. Select sketch number 1 and hide it too. Right click, collapse items. Now select extend surface and click on this circular edge. 10 mm is fine. Select the solid body, show. Now click on cut with surface and select this surface. Okay. Now select this surface and hide it. Body is almost ready here. Now it's time to use the fillet. 10 mm. Select this base. Okay. Now fillet one last time. Let's change the fillet radius to 0.5 mm and select this circular edge. Click OK. And with that, our vase is ready, and now it's time to give it an appearance. Appearances, select plastic here, high gloss. I'm going to select the white color here. Let's change the display style. And that's our geometric faceted vase completed using SolidWorks surface modeling. In this project, we used commands like surface revolve, surface sweep, circular pattern, trim surface, surface loft, extend surface, planar surface, knit surface, cut with surface, mirror and fillet to create this detailed design. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more SolidWorks tutorials and advanced modeling projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.